Did you know that there are more than 3.9 billion active email users worldwide? That's almost half of the world's population. But did you also know that email marketing has an average ROI of $42 for every $1 spent? That's right. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective marketing channels available today. In fact, email marketing is so effective that even some of the world's most successful companies rely on it to drive revenue and growth. Amazon, for example, sends out personalized product recommendations and updates to millions of subscribers every day. And in 2019, the global email marketing industry was valued at over $6.5 billion. So, if you're not already using email marketing to grow your business, it's time to start. Email marketing is a must-have for any business that wants to find and keep customers. It has billions of active users and a track record of success. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the most effective email marketing strategies used by top companies. So stay tuned and learn how you can take your email marketing game to the next level. How Pasendo is disrupting email advertising and raising millions in funding. Get ready to meet the startup that's shaking up the email advertising industry. Pasendo, a Copenhagen-based company, has just announced a pre-seed round of funding of €2.3 million to help them keep up with demand for their services in the United States and the United Kingdom. With partners like Roularda, Springer Nature, Reach, and IPM Media, it's clear that Pasendo is onto something big. So, what's their secret? It all comes down to a more targeted approach to email advertising. Pasendo's technology provides publishers with a new way to increase revenue by offering an ad server and platform services, giving them more control over the ads they display on their sites. This helps publishers make more money and make sure the ads are high quality and relevant to the audience. Pasendo's results speak for themselves. IDG, a client of Blackstone's, saw a huge 454% increase in sales after using Pasendo's technology. Meanwhile, German publisher Ebner was able to cut the time it took to manage newsletter campaigns by 80%. One reason Pasendo is so successful is that its email advertising is very targeted. Pasendo's solution is different from Google and other ad tech providers because it is customized and personalized. This gives publishers and marketers advanced tools for sending and measuring email ads. Andreas Jurgensen and Anders Rasmussen, who helped start Pasendo, saw a big problem in email marketing and set out to fix it. They saw that ad serving and email marketing didn't work well together, so they made Pasendo to give publishers new ways to make money and more control over the ads that show up on their sites. With the €2.3 million in funding secured in pre-seed round A, Pasendo plans to triple its workforce over the next 2 years to keep up with demand. This shows that email advertising is becoming more and more popular and that Pasendo's solution works. Pasendo's success story shows the power of innovation in the email marketing industry. Their personalized and targeted approach is changing the game and giving publishers and marketers new ways to make money. So keep an eye on Pasendo as they continue to shake up the email advertising industry. Lavender's AI-powered email writing assistant revolutionizes sales communication and lands $13.2 million in funding. Let me tell you the story of Lavender, a company that started as Sorter, a digital platform that integrated personality and communication psychology into advertising. Unfortunately, just as Sorter was about to launch, the pandemic hit and advertising funds were frozen. But the co-founders, Will Allred and William Balance, didn't let that stop them. With only a week left before launch, they made a pivot and repackaged their technology to function in Gmail. The result was Lavender, an AI-driven service that guides salespeople via email. And it was a hit with investors and customers alike, raising a total of $14.2 million in funding from Norwest Venture Partners, Signia Venture Partners, Capital X, Position Ventures, and several angel investors. But what exactly does Lavender do? Well, it's an email intelligence and coaching portal that serves up relevant background information on a sales lead and provides advice on how to improve the message to increase the likelihood of a response. Deep learning on email data, communication, and human behavior is used by the AI writing assistant to increase the number of replies. And the best part is that it aids human employees rather than replacing them. Writing a better email involves 4 stages: research, creation, editing, and learning. And Lavender's solution addresses each of these stages. The email tools have information about the people who will get the email and can automatically make drafts or a few bullet points that can be added to an existing email thread. Lavender gives real-time feedback on the quality of an email as it is being written, which helps salespeople write more effective, personalized emails faster. But Lavender's benefits don't stop there. It can also find salespeople who are at risk and need more help to reach their goals. And managers using Lavender may compare the success of different email templates and track important metrics like open and response rates and the amount of time spent crafting each email. At the heart of Lavender's philosophy is the idea that sales should once again be about building real relationships with customers instead of using automated systems or spamming them. And in the current market, it's clear that automated marketing and sales outreach are on the rise. 69% of marketers say they will have automated at least some parts of the customer journey by 2022. But Lavender is different. It's not just another marketing automation business that uses generative AI to produce marketing letters. It's a tool that helps salespeople be more efficient and effective while still keeping that personal touch. And with clients like Twilio, Segment, Sendoso, ShareByte, and Lavender, their success is a testament to the power of innovation and adaptation. When the pandemic hit and advertising funds stopped, Allred and Balance were faced with a huge problem, but they didn't give up on their dream. Instead, they changed direction, which led to the creation of a revolutionary new sales tool. Lavender's AI-powered service helps companies make the most of the people they still have by showing them how to write efficient, personalized emails in a fraction of the time it would take them to do it on their own. With Lavender, writing a better email involves 4 stages: research, creation, editing, and learning. Throughout the process, the AI gives feedback and makes suggestions, which helps salespeople make real connections with customers. The surge in the automated marketing and sales outreach sector has led to a wave of competition, but Lavender has managed to stand out from the crowd. The company has a strong clientele, with roughly 11,000 merchants at companies like Twilio, Segment, Sendoso, ShareByte, and Clary using the service. Balance is optimistic about the company's future, saying that it will continue to grow and hire for key roles throughout the year. Lavender's story of success shows how important it is to work hard, be creative, and be able to change when things don't go as planned. So guys, if you want to raise funds through email campaigns, here are some key strategies to consider. Build a strong email list. In order to successfully raise funds through email campaigns, you need to have a strong email list of potential investors and donors. This can be built through networking, events, social media, and other channels. Craft compelling emails. Your email campaigns should be well crafted and compelling, highlighting the unique aspects of your project or business and why they're worth investing in. Use attention-grabbing subject lines, clear and concise language, and a strong call to action. Use data to personalize emails. Use data and analytics to personalize your emails and make them more targeted to individual investors or donors. This can be done by using their name in the email, mentioning how much they have given or invested in the past, or making the email content fit their particular interests. Leverage automation and AI. Email marketing automation tools and AI-powered platforms like Lavender can help streamline the email fundraising process by giving insights and advice on how to write effective emails and improve response rates. Give regular updates. Keep your investors and donors interested and informed by giving them regular updates on your progress, milestones, and achievements. This helps build trust and credibility and can encourage repeat donations or investments. Be honest and open. Be honest and open in your email communications and talk about both your successes and your problems. This helps build a strong relationship with your investors and donors and can lead to increased loyalty and support over time. Follow up and track results. Follow up with investors and donors after sending out emails and track your results to see what's working and what's not. This can help you refine your email campaigns over time and improve your fundraising efforts overall. Thanks for watching. With the right strategies, you can reach your audience and make your pitch more effective than ever before. So why wait? Start crafting your email campaign today and see how far you can take your fundraising efforts. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any of our informative videos.